Welcome to today's quick craft. We're going to be making snake mobiles. You can print these off the VG&M website and it's got the instructions on the bottom of the page. I'm just going to do a very quick video of how I have made my own. As you can see, this one is already coloured in, but that's what it's going to look like when you print your template off. On the reverse of the snake, it is blank at the moment, but you can always colour the back of the sheet because when you cut it out, the snake mobile will rotate and you'll be able to see the underside as well. So what I'm going to do now is just colour in the back of the page. Now that it's all coloured in on the reverse side, I'm going to cut along the lines. You just follow the thick black line, cut out the circle first, and then starting with the tail, work your way inwards on the spiral until you get to the head. If you're a little one, you might need some help with your scissors. Ask a grown-up for help. So there we have it. There's our snake. He's all cut out in a spiral shape. So now we've just got to attach a piece of string or a piece of ribbon, whatever you have, just to his head. What I've also done with this one is I've given it a very quick coat of Plastikote because I'm going to hang this one outside and see how long it lasts. So I've got my ribbon. And this snake is ready to go tip.